Oh, I'm talking about my wisdom teeth. So basically, it wasn't fun.
Super so you guys watch the stuff, you know? The Instagram player. What? Instagram. Instagram.
No, I don't know.
Instagram. I want you.
Come on, just shut up. Text me.
Okay. I'm stupid. I feel like it. Why?
Because I'm all forehead right now.
Oh, cute. Right? I have my hair with a whole away in my hair the whole time.
What?
This was in my hair the whole time.
You're gonna break it.
Why?
Because you're like squeezing it.
I have one of both hands. I just had no. No one is tired.
While the conversation continues on set, backstage,
Because that's a video.
My eyebrows don't look too shabby today. I don't know where the mic is on my phone. I don't know where the mic is. Oh my god. I literally have another face.
You need to vlog.
I am.
Oh, right now?
Yeah.
Ah.
Bro, I'm so ugly.
But you're beautiful.
I just have to be like this all the time.
You noticed. This is the bad guy in Sonic.
Can I zoom in this way? On my other phone, you could zoom in forwards. I'm so shook. Okay, I'm still swollen. It's Friday. I got my wisdom teeth taken out Monday. Yeah, all my swelling has gone down. I just have bruising on both sides of my face, but there's nothing you can do about that. Ew, I haven't done that in a long time. Did I really? My chopstick. That's not enough light. And these lights are broken, of course, because my cat. Okay, so those ones are broken. Cool. Love that for me. Oh, I'm talking about my wisdom teeth. The swelling barely went down. I was swollen till like mid-Sunday. Now it's like not really swollen. It's just now it's like stiff and it hurts. And I keep getting like sharp pains up here. Basically, I'm gonna tell you like how it went. So I got them taken out Monday last week. I got them out the 29th of April. It's been 1 week and the swelling has went down all the way. So it took about, for me, it took about a week. But I was like dangerously swollen. Like I was literally like concerned for my well-being. I got them out Monday, didn't go to school Tuesday because I was that swollen. And I honestly was like miserable. Like I couldn't even like get up. I just laid on the couch the entire day and watched Naked and Afraid with my mom. And then I went to school Wednesday. I wore hoodies Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday because I had to hide my face. Like I literally was like this. And like I had it like tied, but you could obviously still see it. I have a picture of like me, and Lotus compared me to a Care Bear because I look like it with this hoodie on and it tied. You can't really tell the swollen, but I did take videos of me swollen. Obviously it was before this, but honey, it was a mess. Like it was disgusting. When I first got them out, I was fine. I was so numb. They numbed me to death. I think there was at least 14 shots. That's my guess. 14 or more, honestly. It was so many. They did all along here on both sides, and then up here, obviously, and then in here, like all. It was freaking horrible. The ones up here, hurt the most. I did not go under anesthesia. I did not go, like, they didn't give me laughing gas. I literally was just numbed. There was no pain when they took him out. I didn't feel anything. Honestly, I could just hear it. I didn't feel it. So basically, this is how I've been describing the noise. You know when you step on a hanger and you break it? That's literally what it sounds like. It literally sounds like you're breaking a hanger. The thing that hurt the most was the numbing shots up here. And it only took 14 minutes exactly to pull them out, which isn't that long. I did get left with bruising, like yellow bruising. You can't really tell in this lighting, but there is bruising. Oh, you got, whoa, it's so yellow. My jaw's still really stiff and I can't eat like chips or anything, and that's as big as I can open my mouth, like that's it, and then it's like just like stuck. It still hurts, but I'm just thankful that I'm not swollen anymore. It was so bad. Like, I looked disgusting. Like, I did not want to go to school because of how gross I looked, and it also was just painful. I've been taking ibuprofen since I got them out because I'm not letting it get to that point to where I can't like control the pain. So like I have to take ibuprofen and it works. The most pain I've been getting right now is like up here, and then obviously my jaw's like really stiff down here. But yeah, so honestly, it doesn't hurt. And if you're going under anesthesia, it's not gonna hurt at all. It's mainly after that it hurts. And I don't know if everybody gets swollen like I did, but I did. My mom didn't get swollen, and like people she knew. People my mom knew who got their wisdom teeth out didn't get swollen like I did, so I honestly don't understand why I swelled up like that. Like, it was literally like I had a second face. Like I didn't look like me. It was disgusting. Like, I was like, my self-confidence was like gone. Like, I could not, like, I just couldn't. And I don't really have like a huge pain tolerance, so like I'm sensitive, and it didn't hurt at all, so I think it'll be fine. But yeah, I just wanted to explain what they did. I didn't really even explain what they did. Basically, they had to cut my gums open, they told me, and just break them out in pieces. Like, this dude literally had his arm on my chest and was like getting in there. The nurse lady, I don't know, she was kind of rude. I didn't like her. She was like leaning up against me, and then the dude was like on top of me, like holding me down, and like I wasn't moving or anything. Like, I felt like I did a good job in my opinion. But yeah, so like they literally have to like they have to get in there, and it didn't take that long. So if you think it's gonna take like 2 hours, I thought it was gonna take like so long for some reason. It literally didn't even take 20 minutes, 30 minutes. It took 14 minutes. I knew when exactly because I texted my mom like right before they did it, and then I saw it after. And yeah, lots of bleeding. I'm letting you know now. It's not the business. Like, you literally have to wear, like, if you have long hair, you have to wear your hair up because it's disgusting and it's not fun, and you're gonna feel really gross and you're not gonna love it, but honestly that's how it is. But yeah, that was my experience getting my wisdom teeth out, and I'm still hurting. Every person's different though, so it's all depending on you. I didn't eat anything except applesauce and oatmeal for a really long time. I just started eating again, like food, and even then, like, it still like gets like stuck and it hurts, and I can't like eat. I can't even like move my mouth that much still. Like it just it's a big inconvenience. Oh, also the first day, do not brush your teeth. It's disgusting, but don't do it because it's still really fresh and you're not supposed to do it. Also, no like rinsing out your mouth. Like, even if you're bleeding everywhere, you can't like with water, because then it breaks. Like, you form a scab on all four, or if you get all four out. I got all four out, by the way. It breaks it, like the scab off, and then it'll start bleeding again, and then it could lead to infection and blah, blah, blah. So don't do it, because I did it, and this one, especially this side, hurts because I knew, like, after I did that at school, I didn't know that until after school. My grandma and my mom told me I shouldn't do that, and then I did it at school and I was bleeding and I didn't know why. It's because it took off the scabs. So don't do that, because then it takes longer for it to heal, and it's not fun. All I know is it wasn't fun. I didn't like it. Who's gonna like it? It's not a glorious moment. You don't look cute at all. So yeah, that was a lot. I'm sorry. I'll try to make sense out of it as I edit. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Leave a like, comment, subscribe, do what you want to do. And I'll see you in the next one. That was cringy.